Heavy rain and wildfire possibly in the forecast this weekend. We know winds are in the forecast too. The Big Island under a tropical storm warning as Hone nears the islands.
Meanwhile, a red flag warning goes into effect tomorrow morning for all leeward areas statewide. Let's go to Justin Cruz now with what we need to know. Just.
Well, yeah, we have a few more advisories that are in play right now. We do have a tropical storm warning for the Big Island and surrounding waters of the Big Island. We also have a tropical storm watch for at least the southern coastlines of Oahu through Maui County and through Kauai. On top of that, we mentioned earlier a fire weather warning through Saturday night. This is mainly because tomorrow is expected to be dry, all of that moisture being absorbed into tropical storms, and because of that, the winds are also picking up. So we are having some impacts from Hone. Let's take a look at the three systems that we're keeping an eye on. We have Hone, we also have Gilma, and another area of disturbed weather. Just a quick, close look at Gilma and that other potential tropical depression. In the long run, it does not look like these are going to be direct impacts. We might get a little bit of rain in the form of storm remnants, but that's pretty much about it. Hone, still under warm water, ample moisture, and very low wind shear. Slow intensification today. In fact, the winds are around 50 miles per hour today. Yesterday, 24 hours ago, they were about 40. So it's been a gradual intensification. However, that starts to ramp up over the next 24 hours. We want to welcome and thank our hurricane hunters. Flew in all the way from Mississippi, started to take off from Hickam today, flew right over Lanai and eventually over Hilo, and then into the storm, circled around it, took their readings, and went back home. And what they found was the central pressure of the storm, which is an indication of how strong it is, remains at about 1,000 millibars. So there was a slight drop in the last reading, and that took it down to 998. And that is what we have right now. So there is a drop in pressure, which means a strengthening storm. Winds are still 50 miles per hour. Next advisory at 11 tonight. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast track. Look how it could be up to 65 miles per hour Saturday afternoon. 75, that's hurricane, but barely. 74 is the threshold. Barely a hurricane, doesn't last long, goes back down to 70 and 65. As far as the track, it's a fairly good track, high confidence track as well. All of the tracks kind of mirror each other and don't spread out really until you get south of Kauai. But at this point, everything is going to be changing. And we do have one track that kind of goes up and down. That one had too much coffee earlier today. You can just delete that one. But that's good to have track confidence. As far as the winds, we won't really get direct winds from the system except for maybe South Point because the wind radius is very small. But because this is here, the pressure difference between this and high pressure produces strong trade winds this weekend. That is the reason why we have that fire weather warning. So winds with gusts up to 50 miles per hour, very dry tomorrow with that rain hitting the Big Island by tomorrow afternoon. Here's a look at some of the rain forecasts. From the National Weather Service, 5 to 10 inches for the Hilo side of the Big Island. Elsewhere could see about 2 to 4. Let's watch this evolve. There's almost a guarantee that the Hilo side will get heavy rain in this particular model starting at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, and it just gets worse throughout the day. Through the afternoon, heavier and heavier rain, and it continues for the Big Island, that entire southeast coastline. 9 p.m. Saturday, you can see how intense those rains are. However, this scenario also indicates that we'll have minimal rain elsewhere. So for the rest of the state, are we going to get some rain? There's a chance of it, but according to this scenario, there's going to be very minimal showers for all the islands. It's really focused on the Big Island. Let's take a look at another similar scenario with a slight difference. Still, we got heavy rain Saturday midday, and it goes throughout the afternoon into Saturday night. But this one spreads a little bit more shower activity, not anything really drastic, maybe for East Maui, but more rain than the previous scenario. They're very close together, folks. So the key takeaway is that it's the Big Island that really is the target for this next round of wet weather. Everywhere else, Kauai, Oahu, and Maui, we're on the outer fringes. We'll wait and see what happens. We will see, though, statewide winds that are very gusty. Overall, we have a tropical storm that may flirt with hurricane force winds around the Saturday to Sunday timeframe. 5 to 10 inches of rain for the Big Island Hilo side, 2 to 4 elsewhere, gusty winds to 50 miles per hour. And for the east shores of the Big Island, surf 8 to 10 feet.